Igwe, this issue needs to be addressed before it gets out of hand.
Igwe, our women, children, and even the youths in general are becoming
Mr. Dikeh, have the cats cut your tongue? Go on.
Bianca, you cannot be here by now. This is elders' meeting.
Oh, please shut up. Oh no. Henceforth, I will partake in all the meetings being held in this palace. I am the king's wife, the new queen. Or am I not? But if there's anyone who doesn't like the fact that I am here, please feel free to hit the door. Hey, Mr. Dikeh, carry on, I'm all ears. So what's this about? What's going on? And who are the bandits?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.